What's happening, everyone? Welcome back. This week we're still in Russia. It's over 1 week after the first competition in RDS. Last week we just, to be honest, took it easy. Spent some time traveling around Moscow with Becky and Michael. It's great to have some time off and unwind after the first event. As I was saying, the first event was a huge learning curve for us, but really enjoyable. Now it's less than 2 weeks to the second round, and we're going back at the car, doing some tweaks to it, checking it over, and we've come to Level Performance in Moscow. They've been very kind to us to let us use their workshop to check over the car, make some tweaks, maybe put it on the dyno they have here to just make sure it's running very nice and sweet, and double check everything before the second round. And now I gotta say something about this workshop. It's probably one of the coolest, if not the coolest, performance workshop I've ever visited. It's absolutely amazing. This facility is purely dedicated to motorsport and aftermarket cars, and it's absolutely unreal. So we'll get inside, show you guys where we're working on the car. First job we're doing is just washing it, getting it all cleaned up, all the rubber and oil stains off it after the first round. And yeah, let's have a look inside here. This is, we'll be using their alignment rack here to check the car over. They have a lot of car ramps here. I love these little LED strips they're using to make sure the car is square on the ramp. In here now, first job is we brought the car in to wash it all, get it cleaned up, as there's a lot of rubber and crap stuck to the back of it after its first event, so really nice to give it a full clean over. Pretty sweet to have a power wash indoors. Next we'll get the car up in a ramp, then show you guys around again in more detail what they have here. But this is dreamy. This is unreal. Okay, so car is on the ramp. We're going to be changing the oil, just checking it all over underneath, going through everything, making sure everything is fine. So far everything looks perfect. We opened the K&N oil filter, checked through it, engine looks to be running absolutely perfect, no signs of any wear. All is going good. The workshop here is absolutely incredible. It's really cool to have our drift car here amongst some amazing cars like Testarossa, Lamborghinis, Mercedes project. This place is just something special. Our drift car right next to a crazy Lambo twin turbo. The guys here do a lot of custom work, a lot of expensive builds, but it's really cool to see. A couple of GTRs, another Lambo GTR, twin turbo R8, another twin turbo Lambo. This is pretty impressive, to say the least. And here we have E92 Eurofighter in full carbon Kevlar. So I think with this car they're planning to do a VR38 engine swap. GTIR. Pretty cool, haven't seen one of those in a long time. Corvette, Camaro. Yeah, it's absolutely incredible to see what they have going on here. Then upstairs they have a parts store, which I can show you guys. Here we have it. Down the back here they also work with a company doing 3D printing, so they make a lot of custom stuff. And we got everything from K&N air filters, all your different exhaust piece, silicones, heat protection, crazy exhaust systems, a lot of radium product. We got Brian Crower, ACL, absolutely bit of everything here. Some crazy wheels, and we got a nice view down onto the workshop again. Downstairs they also have a really sweet, neat, clean engine building room. They're building a lot of crazy engines from very prestigious cars. Transmission work, doing custom wiring in-house. They also have their own custom fabrication bay. I love this. Ladder rally car. 180 horsepower, NA engine. 16 valve twin cam. Really cool. Nice custom cage in it. It's just class. And right in here where we're going to be going pretty soon is the Dyno Run. So they have just completely sealed Dyno Run. Really tidy. So we'll be putting the car on here pretty soon just to double check the tune, make sure everything is right, because we just made adjustments at the track, so we want to just double check it on the dyno and make some final tweaks if we need to. And finally I'll show you the fabrication room. And in here they're working on my AIMOL teammate Charles' car. 180, but this is their fabrication shop. You see Charles's S13 here. So yeah, they have absolutely everything. They do some really nice tidy fabrication work. Okay, so I think we're almost ready to put the car in the dyno, and we'll check it out, see how it goes. Okay, so car is strapped down with this dyno. It's probably one of the nicest dyno rooms I've seen. Really tidy and clean, just like this entire place. So yeah, we're not doing anything crazy today, just checking that it's running nice on the fuel, and if there's any small tweaking to do. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so after quick pull, everything is running nice. Log looks nice. We made a small adjustment to the fuel table just to have it running where we want it, and it made 780 at the wheels and 885 Newton meters of torque at the wheels. So a different dyno to what we use in Ireland. Just shows the difference in dynos, you know, depending on brands. But yeah, car's running great. We know now that it's 100%. We have nothing to worry about. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be back here doing corner weights, alignment, and final last few small jobs. But today was a good day. So we're back here at Level Performance today, working on the corner weights, as we haven't actually given the car its final tweaks doing the corner weights, and just equaling the cross weights on the car, because we actually never had a chance to finally do this before the first round with the car all complete. So now we have a bit more time. The guys here at Level Performance have everything that we need. So they have these sweet intercom Bluetooth wireless scales. And we just weighed the car, and we're about 1% off in the cross weight, so it's a very small tweak to make. Everything is looking good. We gave the car a good wash over yesterday as well, so it's nice to have it all clean. Then we go to alignment. So yeah, very happy. We also did a lot of other small jobs, like a bit of heat wrap coming loose in the exhaust, tidying that up. All small little tweaky things, but in general we've ran through the whole car. No major problems, and very happy with how it is. But imagine having a place like this. This is like the dream workshop. When have you ever had your drift car on a ramp next to a Ferrari Testarossa Right, let's get to it. Yeah.
Automatic ops in the rear.
Right, so now we just have the car on the lift. It's our last job to do before we go do some testing later this week, and just run through the alignment. We're not making any big changes or anything, just making sure everything is still in the right place after a hard first round. So last time it was aligned was in Ireland before it was shipped and stuff, and we just checked everything with toe plates at the track, but everything was really good. But we're just double checking now that we have access to such a good machine. Car's ready to go back to AIMOL workshop. Got a lot done here, very happy with the progress. We're going to be testing in a couple of days here at a new track. So excited to see, after a few small changes we made to the car, to see if we've made any improvements, and hope you enjoy checking out everything here at Level Performance. Probably the most amazing workshop I've ever visited, and the guys were extremely helpful, so huge thanks to everyone that helped here. Also, I want to say a massive thank you to everybody that subscribed to our channel and followed us over the last year. Hard to believe that we're after hitting 100,000 subscribers, so it's a great bonus after the event last weekend, and we want to continue bringing you guys content and show you guys what we get up to. It's going to be a very exciting year, and thanks once again for all the support. We'll see you guys next week. Take care.